Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Here we are, just about to say goodbye to 2023 and welcome the new year. All around the globe, there are parties everywhere with candles, poppers, confetti, including hors d'oeuvres and cocktails like this tasty one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Holiday Aperol Spritz. With great ingredients, this drink is deliciously different and sure to please everyone. So my friends, let's get mixing. First, we'll add ice cubes, about 3 per glass. I like using my stemless wine glass, but a flute is another option. To this, we'll add Prosecco wine, but you can switch to champagne if you prefer. Followed by a couple ounces of Aperol, and then my cranberry simple syrup, which you can get the recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Next, we'll top it with 1 ounce of sparkling water or soda. I like using San Pellegrino, but choose what you want. And the finishing touch, we'll garnish with an orange slice and a couple cranberries. And my friends, this is our Holiday Aperol Spritz. Very quick and easy to make, this is an original cocktail that is perfect for the holiday celebrations. This refreshing cocktail is a tasty way to bring in the new year. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com. Find ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, cheers!